Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up an online business from starting to end. What are the things that are required for you to set up an online business? Okay, so let's begin. सबसे पहले कोई भी ऑनलाइन बिजनेस बनाने से पहले you are required some important things. Let's say you should have a domain name. ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट बनाने से पहले आपके पास एक डोमेन नेम होना ज़रूरी है. तो वो कैसे और कहाँ से लें? टू सेटअप अ डोमेन नेम देयर आर सम थिंग्स दैट नीड्स टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. जैसे कि होता है डोमेन नेम का एक्सटेंशन. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. देयर आर सो मेनी डोमेन एक्सटेंशंस आर देयर. .com, .in, .org, .net. सो आपके लिए कौन सा हेल्पफुल होगा? इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ योर टारगेट ऑडियंस एंड व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू अचीव. तो .com का अगर हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं तो .com इज ए ग्लोबल डोमेन. इट्स एन globally available. If you want to target the audience from all across the globe, then .com is very useful for you. What about .in? If you are targeting specifically for India only, then you should go for .in domain. Okay. Again, .net, .org are similar. You can Google them and you can get the information about the rest of them as well. यहाँ पे हम लोग बात करेंगे .com domain की. Let's say I am taking an xyz.com. Okay, where you will find these domains. So there are so many marketplaces where you can get these domains and you can pay them and they will give you. Okay, so there is GoDaddy, then Hostinger, Namecheap, Bluehost. These are the types of marketplaces where you can find the domain names. So starting from the first, you will be requiring a business idea. Let's say you are going to start a online business, or let's say a blog you are going to start. So you are going to start it about news. So let's taking an example of news. So what you will do, you will first go to GoDaddy or any platform you know to buy a domain. You will search for the required domain you want. Let's say you will check for news.com. You will enter it there and you will see if it is available or not. If it is available, you will purchase it. What after purchasing? Let's say you purchased a .com domain, then you will be needing a hosting. Now there are so many providers which gives you hosting. You can check it based on your knowledge and your requirements. There are so many, like Hostinger is there, then Bluehost is there, GoDaddy is there. So you can check it accordingly as per your needs and requirements. Okay, this is one part. After that, when you set up a website, now if you might be aware about the coding or some cPanels is there, then hosting, WordPress is there. What is the difference between coding, custom coding and WordPress? So basically there are these two types. One needs perfectly coding. Second is you get already ready-made themes over there that you can directly put on and ready to use. So क्या होता है, अगर आप WordPress यूज करते हो तो आपको कोडिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This is for those people who don't know how to code. And perfectly, this is more scalable. If you are not into coding, you can go for WordPress. So आपने डोमेन खरीद लिया, आपने होस्टिंग बना ली, उसके बाद आप WordPress इंस्टॉल करके you select a theme and you are ready to go. You set up your title, you optimize your website, you make pages. Pages are like what? Contact us, terms and conditions, then privacy policy. These pages are mandatory. Okay, let's say you made all these things. Then the first task is what to write, where to find the keywords. and the keywords I am finding will be ranked or not. So how to finalize these things? So for this there are so many platforms. First is SEMrush, second is Ahrefs, and there are so many others, but Ahrefs and SEMrush are better as per my recommendations because they can give you the data of all. Again, the third one is Google Planner. It will give you the Google keywords for free. We will be looking at every software and every application in more details in my further videos. So make sure to subscribe. Okay, now looking at the keywords, what type of keywords you should focus and target. So there is a mantra for choosing a keywords. For selecting keywords, you should be looking at the criteria. Two are very important. First, what is the keyword difficulty? Keyword difficulty means how hard it is or how easy it is to rank on that specific keyword. Okay, let's say XYZ is a keyword. Its keyword difficulty is 30%. That means it is easier for that keyword to rank on Google first page. Okay, then it comes search volume, means how many people in the India or let's say globally are searching for that specific keyword is its search volume. So now you have to target such a keywords which has low keyword difficulties and higher search volumes. There are so many keywords you will find on these tools which will help you to rank in the Google first page, first position. Then you will be searching these keywords as per your needs and requirements. You will take it down and you will write articles or some information content on these articles, on these keywords specifically. And then when you do proper SEO of this page, again, there are three types of SEOs: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. We will be looking at this in more details in our further videos. So, let me revise once. You have an idea. You bought a domain name according to that. You also bought a domain hosting. You set up everything. You selected WordPress, then you installed theme, you set up your whole website. Then you searched for the keywords as per the keyword difficulty and search volume. Then you write a good article according to that keyword specifically and you submit it. Then you will submit the URL to the Google Search Console for indexing. Once it is indexed, it will be shown on the Google search, and then the people or the traffic will start coming to our website. This is how the exact flow of starting to end of how you set up a online blog or online business. Similarly, you can take some another example of setting up a blog, articles, or an online website. Let's say you want to sell online watches. For that, you will first go for a domain. What you will search for a domain like premiumwatches.com. You will look for this. If it is available, you will buy. If not, you will search for some another. I consider if you buy. If you bought a domain, then you will go to hosting, then WordPress you will download, then you will set up a theme, then you will search, then you will target some keywords like premium watches under 5,000, premium watches under 10,000 rupees, premium watches under 15,000 or 20,000 or let's say 50,000. On each keyword, you will make a page or a blog to attract the traffic. You will write it in English to attract more global audience, or you can also write in your local language to attract more local people over there. In this way, you will create pages. Okay, done. After 1 month, you notice that you are getting some traffic, organic traffic on your website. It will grow as you add more and more pages and more relevant content as per your keywords you searched. Okay, then how will you monetize this? To monetize this audience or the traffic, you will get some sponsored ads or sponsored posts, you can say, articles globally. You can charge people for posting an article on your website if it is a article related website or a blog. Again, you can get Google ads over there, so people will or publishers will pay you on the basis of per 1000 impressions. This is all how you can monetize your traffic. Again, there are some other steps also where you can using which you can also monetize your traffic, which we'll be looking at the further videos for sure. So this is what start to end process is. Now on further more videos, we will be looking at each step very specifically on laptop screens. So I request you to follow me for such more informative videos. And again, there are so many lots of things are coming, more technical inclined and also from business perspective, which will make you aware about the trending technologies as well as trending market insights on this specific YouTube channel only. So make sure to follow me. And ऐसे ही वीडियोस के लिए फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विथ मोर intellectual and very interesting topic which will help you to gain more audience, more traffic and more money. So let's see you. Bye bye.